Hi there, and welcome to Healthy Bites. My name is Beth Schomp, and this is one of my favorite things to do. It's a little segment where I come in and I teach you little terms that can make a big difference with your health. And today we're going to talk about enzymes. So, you're going to hear the term enzymes in the nutrition world when it comes to digestive enzymes or pancreatic enzymes, but you're also going to hear about it in the cleaning world, such as laundry detergent. So what is an enzyme? Well, it's almost like a protein. It's actually a biological catalyst, and what it does, it helps to speed up a chemical reaction. And there are a lot of different enzymes. So for instance, in the world of nutrition, you have digestive enzymes like lipase. Now, lipase helps to break down fats in our gut, but another digestive enzyme is called amylase. And amylase does something totally different. It helps to convert starch to sugars. Well, why do we care? Well, if you struggle with indigestion, IBS, heartburn, Crohn's disease, or even gluten, then digestive enzymes can be your best friend. And here's why. If you choose the right ones and you use them properly, it's going to make that whole world run so much smoother. This is how it works. You have a digestive enzyme about 15 to 20 minutes before you eat. And what they do, they calm the gut. There's a lot of inflammation going on when you have IBS or indigestion, and it really calms down that inflammation. That's one thing. And the second thing it does, it breaks down the food almost to a liquefied state. And if you think about it, that's so much easier for your body to digest. And then the nutrients, they can get to where they need to go, and that's to your cells. But enzymes do so much more than that. Digestive enzymes actually help to destroy toxins that are in our body, and we're exposed to them all the time. And they help to build muscle. So digestive enzymes are a very, very good thing. And they're the big buzzword when it comes to laundry detergent, kind of for the same reason. You see, what enzymes do in your laundry detergent, it breaks down dirt and soil and odor so that they're more easily washed away. So, to get the most bang for your buck, I recommend make sure that your laundry detergent has enzymes in it. And when it comes to nutrition, if you feel that you can benefit from digestive enzymes and you want further recommendation, reach back to me. Send me an email to yourbestlife9@gmail.com and we'll chat. Until next time, be happy and be healthy.